Are you looking for the best water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR 6-gallon electric tank water heater. The VEVOR 6-gallon water heater is a compact and efficient solution for small spaces like studio apartments or RVs. With its 6-gallon tank, it provides just the right amount of hot water for daily tasks such as hand washing and dishwashing, without taking up much room. The heater warms water quickly thanks to its extended heating tube and keeps it hot longer with thick foam insulation, helping you save on energy bills. You can easily control the temperature using a simple knob and monitor the heating process with an LED indicator, giving you convenience and control over your hot water supply. What we like: compact 6-gallon capacity, fast and even heating, energy-saving insulation, easy temperature control, LED heating indicator. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater provides endless on-demand hot water, saves space, and saves energy. Its compact size allows it to be installed on the wall or at the point of use, and it is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. The tankless electric water heater is 99% thermal energy efficient, and only heats water when called, unlike tank heaters that maintain water temperature. It is ideal for low-flow applications like a bathroom or small sink, providing between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. What we like: energy efficiency, easy installation, consistent hot water supply, space-saving design, lower operating costs. What we don't like: electrical upgrade required, occasional durability concerns. Number 3. Bebaigowna 1500W Portable Immersion Water Heater. The Bebaigowna portable heater offers fast heating with its powerful 1500W element and durable 304 stainless steel guard, allowing you to warm up to 5 gallons of water quickly and safely. Its intelligent temperature control automatically shuts off the power when water reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you peace of mind and preventing accidents. You can use this heater in various settings like buckets, basins, or bathtubs, making it perfect for home or outdoor use. Plus, the included digital LCD thermometer lets you easily monitor the water temperature, so you always know when your water is ready without guesswork. What we like: rapid heating speed, clear digital LCD thermometer, portable and versatile, automatic shut-off safety feature, solid build quality. What we don't like: no power switch, no built-in thermostat. Number 4. crazybrace 2000W Immersion Water Heater. The crazybrace portable water heater is a powerful 2000W device designed to heat up to 5 gallons of water rapidly, making it perfect for camping or travel when you need hot water quickly. Its durable 304 stainless steel guard keeps the heating element safe and prevents burns, giving you peace of mind during use. The heater is easy to operate, featuring an LCD thermometer that lets you check water temperature within seconds, so you can enjoy your bath or soak at just the right warmth. Plus, it works with various containers like buckets and small pools, offering versatile use wherever you need hot water. What we like: heats water extremely hot, works well for baths, affordable price, good for small water amounts. What we don't like: slow for large volumes, may trip GFI outlets. Number 5. xwdzswgs Tankless Electric Water Heater 110V. The xwdzswgs electric tankless heater is a compact and efficient device that quickly provides hot water on demand. With 3000W power, it heats water instantly, saving you from waiting for a tank to fill up or reheat. Its sleek, slim design fits neatly under sinks, making it perfect for kitchens and bathrooms where space is limited. You can easily adjust the temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius to suit your preference. Safety features like water and electricity isolation, waterproofing, and automatic shutoff protect both your home and the unit, giving you peace of mind while enjoying continuous hot water. What we like: instant hot water, compact size, easy installation, energy efficiency, clear digital display. What we don't like: limited water temperature, requires higher amp circuit,